Hello, my kids, students of Primary 3. Nice to meet you again. Let's start with Mathematics Primary 3 first term 25-26. I hope to get funny time with me. Let's go to our lesson today. Now we still with chapter 3, lesson 4. This lesson talks about multiples of 5 and 10. Don't forget we got multiples of 2 and 3 last lesson. At the end of this lesson, inshallah, we'll take a simple revision for multiples of 2, 3, 5, and 10. Let's go. By the end of this lesson, you should know how to use 120 chart to get multiples of any number that you want. For example, if you wanted to get multiple of the number 2, you can jump by 2s. For 3, jump by 3s, and so on. Look at 120 chart. We can see a frog. The frog jumps on the number 5. Next jump to the number 10. The next to the number 15. So what happened for this frog? This frog jumped by 5s. Yeah, it's okay, you can see. First jump on number 5, next 10, third one on the number 15, fourth one on the number 20. Don't forget these numbers: 5, 10, 15, and 20. Again, 120 chart. We shade number 5 again. We shade number 10. Number 15. Number 20. Can you guess the next one? Yeah, you're guessing right. 25. Which number will be the next? 30. Great. Which number will be the next? 35. Well done. Go on. Which number will be the next? 40. Awesome. Yeah. Which one will be the next? 45. That's right. What about the next? 50. Now, by this way, you can guess which number will be the next. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, and the last one will be 120. This is called multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. That means you can skip by 5, or you can jump 5 steps each time, and so on. Let's go. We shade some numbers. We shade multiples of 5. We shade 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and so on for this column. At the end, we shade 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and 120. This column represents number. This number is what is a multiple of multiple of 5, and this one are multiple of 5 too. Let's check your understanding. Write the equations for the multiples of 5, like tables that we got for table 2, table 3, and C, or multiple of them. So let's times 5 by 1. It will be 5. Next will be 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. The last one is, can you get the right number? Yeah, the last one is 50. This is called multiples of 5. Now I ask you to write 5 multiples of 5. These multiples must be less than 50. Right? 5 multiples of 5 that are less than 50. Less than 50. Okay? Less than 50. Multiples of 5 less than 50. Let's start with 5. That's right. 10. Great. Here are 20 and 25. Let's count them. First multiple, second one, third, fourth, and fifth. If I asked you to find 5 multiples of number 5, these multiples less than what? Less than 50. Can you get more? Yeah. I can write 30. Yes. 30 is what? Is a multiple of 5 less than 50. 35, that's right. 40, 45. What happens if I write 50 in this number? Right answer? No. Why? 15 is a multiple of 5. 50 is a multiple of 5. But 15 is smaller than 50. 50 not less than 50. So this one not right. Why? Although it's a multiple of 5, but 50 not less than. Less than means smaller than, fewer than. Okay? Now let's play a game for multiples of 5. Are you ready? Let's go. Is 100 a multiple of 5? Yes, 100 a multiple of 5. Let's get later the rule how to get a multiple of 5. Okay? This is Jumping Stones by Frog. Find the multiples of what? Multiples of 5. Don't forget you have time to get the highest score. 830 multiple? Yes. Yes. 65? Yes. What about 66? Is this a multiple of 5? Let's guess. No, it isn't a multiple. Yes, it's a multiple. No. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. Can you guess the rules? Yes. Any multiple of 5, it's ones, 0, or 5. Any multiple of 5, it's ones, 0, or 5. Yes. 50, good. 45, good. What about 28? Is 28 a multiple of 5? Are you sure? Let's check. No, 28 not a multiple. Why? It's ones, not 0 or 5. By the same way, 12 is not. 15, yes. Why? It's ones. 5, 68 not. 70, yes. 27, not a multiple of 5. Why? It's ones, not 0, not 5. It's ones is 7. 60 is a multiple. Now let's play final try. Be sure to get 14 is not. 93 is not. 76 is not. 5 is a multiple. 78 is not. 20, yes. 25, yes. No. 40, yes. 80, yes. So, great job. You found all multiples of love. Let's play last time. Last time now. What about 67? No. 87? No. 15? Yeah. 24? No. 25? Yes. 16? No. 30? Yes. 45? Yes. 18? No. 10? Yes. Oh, great job. You found all multiples of 5. That's good. Let's go back again. Yes, this is for jumping off the front. If you jump forward by 10 steps, each times on number line, starting from 0, will you land on 15? Remember this question. We repeat it again at the end. Let's study multiples of 10. Multiples of 10. Why only 20 jumps on the basket? Is 5 not 5 a multiple of 10 or not? It's once 5. 15, it's once 5. I choose only 20. Why 20 only is a multiple of 10? Let's throw this number on the basket of 10. If this number is a multiple of 10, will stay in a basket. Let's start with 8. Let's carry 8 to put on the basket. Oh, 8 not a multiple of 10. What about 50? Yes, 50 is a multiple of 10. What about 7? Not a multiple. 12, not a multiple. 13, not a multiple. 40 is a multiple. So there is a secret to get a multiple of 10. 8, not 7, not 12, not 13, 10. Yes. 20. Yes. 30. Yes. What about 15? It's once a 5. No. No. So if the number is once, is 5, this number is not a multiple of 10. So can you get the secret now? Let's play again. 40, 20, 30, 50. All of them right. Why? Oh, there is a secret now. There is a secret now. All of them are multiple of 10 because they have 0 in ones. They have 0 in ones. So any number has 0 in ones, this number is a multiple of 10. While any number have 0 or 5 in its ones, it's a multiple of 5. Last time for this play, yeah, 13 not 30, yes, it's once 0, it's once 0, it's once 0, it's once 0, it's once 0. So you found all multiples of 10. You should know any number it's once 0, this number is a multiple of 10, while any number it's once 5 or 0, this number is a multiple of 5. That's mean you should know any multiple of 10 is a multiple of 5. The opposite not right. Okay, that's mean what? Every multiple of 10 is a multiple of 5, while not every multiple of 5 is a multiple of 10. For example, 20 is a multiple of 2 of both 5 and 10, yes, while 15 is a multiple of 5 only, but not a multiple of 10. Now let's get another game about 10 and 5. This game now for what? For table 10 and table 5, for multiples of 5 and the multiples of 10. Let's play. Yes. Now play multiples of 5. Later, inshallah, we'll play multiples of 10. Let's play a multiple. We have 20 seconds to get our school. Pop. Pick numbers like 5, 10, 15. This is called the multiples of 5. Let's start. Yes. Yes. 51. No. 51. No. Let's go. 10. Yes. 55. Yes. Search with me. Help me. 15. Yes. 10. Yes. 40 yes, 10 yes, 35 yes, 40 yes. Yeah, we got what? We got 100 score. Let's play again to get high score. Try to help me. Let's start with multiple of 5, but we should go up. Yes, last time for multiple of 5. 5 yes, 5 yes, 20 yes, 30 yes, 40 yes, 55 yes, 15 yes, 20, 50, 55, 35, 40, 15, 45, 60, 45, 20, 10, 25. Oh, help me. Yes. Oh, look at. We got high score. Last one. By exercising, by practicing, you will get high score. This is for what? For multiple of 5. What about multiple of 10? Let's get it. Multiple of 10. Yes, in this time, it's easy to get a multiple of 10 by clicking any number. It's once 0. Yes, 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 yes. It's once 0. Yes, it's once log 4. Yes, it's once 0, once 0, once 0, once 0, once 0, once 0 where? Yes, yes, yes. Once 0, once 0. Any number. Oh, we get a few scores. So you should know. If you wanted to get any multiple of 5, look for ones. If the ones is 5, if the ones is 0, directly this number is what? Is a multiple of 5. While if I asked you to get any multiples of 10, look at ones. If the ones is 0 only, this number is a multiple of 10. You should know any multiple of 10 is a multiple of 5. Okay? But not every multiple of 5 is a multiple of 10. Example, 15, 25, 35. 35 is a multiple of 5 only, but not a multiple of 10. While 30 is a multiple of both 5 and 10. By the end of this lesson, let's check all multiples of 2, 3, 5, and 10. Yes, this is 120 chart. Multiples x plural. You can see this is what 120 chart that you studied at school with your teachers. This represents numbers from 1 to 120. Hint, walk around, find multiples of 2, 3, 5, and 10. We have a child. This child moves from left to right to get multiples of number. Let's move 2. We stop at 2. 2 is what? Look at the left. 2 is a multiple of 2. Another step. For this one, you can see. This is when I stop at 3. 3 is what? Is a multiple of 3. Another step. Number 4. Number 4 is a multiple of 2. Another step. 5. Look on the right. We get, yeah, multiples of 5. Number 5 appears here. We can see 5 here. That's mean what? 5 is a multiple of 5. Another step. 6. 6 appears on multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. Look at 6 here and there. That means 6 is a multiple of 2 and multiple of 3 at the same time. Another step. Number 7, not a multiple of 2 or 3 or 5 or 10. Can you guess when I move to, when I jump one step to the right to the number 8? Can you guess before reaching to the number 8? Number 8 is a multiple of what? Oh, number 8 is a multiple of 2. Look at multiples of 2. We can see 8 here. So 8 is a multiple of 2. Another step to the right. Number 9. Number 9, yeah, we can see 9 in the multiples of 3. What about 10? 10 appears in multiples of 2, multiples of 5, and the multiples of 10. Look at, here we can see 10, multiples of 2. We can see 10 here as a multiple of 5 and as a multiple of 10. Now, so you should know 120 chart is a powerful assessment for you, a good friend for you, okay, a great helper for you. You can get by study 120 chart any multiples of any number that you wanted to look for. Okay, by jumping 2's, you can get multiples of 2. By jumping 3's, you can get a multiple of 3 by the same way. Let's go. 11, not a multiple of any number of them. 12, look at 12. 12 is called even number. Even number, mean a number is double of 2, is a multiple of 2. Okay, so 12, multiple of 2, multiple of 3. But not a multiple of 5 or 10. Why? Because its once is 2. We should know any multiples of 5 and 10, its once must be what? For 5, must be 5 or 0. For 10, 0 only. Let's go. 13, not a multiple of any one of them. 14, even number. It's a multiple of 2. 15. 15 is a multiple of 3 and the multiple of 5. You will see 15 appears in multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. 16, multiples of 2. 17, not a multiple of any one of them. 18, and multiple of 2 and multiple of 3 too. So 18 is a multiple of 2 and the multiple of 3 at the same time. 19, not. 20. 20 is a multiple of 2, multiple of 5, and the multiple of 10. Multiple of 2, that's means this is even number. Multiple of 5, it's once 0. Multiple of 10, it's once 0. 21, multiple of 3 only. 22, multiple of 2 only. 23, not a multiple of any one of them. 24, multiple of 2 and the multiple of 3. 25, multiple of 5 only. You can differentiate between them by color. Look at color. This is what? Change the color means this is a multiple of 5. So any multiple of 5 is changed by this color. Look at them. 35, a multiple of 5 only. 36, multiple of 2 and 3. We should stop at what? At 30. Look at 30. 30, a multiple of 3, a multiple of 2, and a multiple of 5, multiple of 10. 30, multiple of 2, 30, a multiple of 3, 30, a multiple of 5, and the multiple of 10. We can know 30, the first number appear in all. 30 is the first number that appears in all number of them. Let me ask you a simple question. What about 35? Before clicking on 35, can you guess in which multiples will be belong to? 35. 35. Let's guess. Let's go to 35. 35. 35 is a multiple. Let's check multiples of 2. We can't see 35. Multiples of 3, we can't see 35. No 35 here. No 35 for multiples. 35 is a multiple of 5 only. Another question for you. What about the number 40? 40. 40 is a multiple of 10. Look at. Multiple of 5. It's also 0. multiple of 2, it's even number, but not a multiple of 3. If I go down one step, 50, we can see 50 and multiples of 2, multiples of 5, and the multiples of 10. My advice for you, should study 120 chart carefully. It will help you to study multiples of 2, 3, 5, or 10. Don't forget, it's a good assistant for you. It helps you. By mini exercise, by practice more time, finally, inshallah, you will be better to get any multiples of any one of them. Let's clear all. Now let's get another problem for all multiples of 2. By clicking on this bottom, I'll get all multiples of 2. Look at, these are multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. Let's clear them. What about multiples of 3? These are multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. That means if you jump by 3s. Okay, jump 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is what a multiple of 3. Let's clear all multiples of 3. Check multiples of 5. You can see this is our multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and so on. This is called what? A multiples of 5. Clear? Now, can you guess which numbers will be multiples of 10? Let's click multiples of 10. Yes. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and so on. Okay? Now let me ask you a simple question about multiples, okay? I asked you to tell me the number belong to multiples of 2, 3, 5, or 10, okay? My question was, what about 15, this number? 15 is a multiple of what? Can you guess? Can you guess? This number is a multiple of what? Let's move the child to 15. Yes. 15 is a multiple of 3. 15 is a multiple of 5. That's right. Let's clear. Okay. Another question. What about 10? If the child stopped at 10, 10 is a multiple of what? Yes, 10 is a multiple of 2, multiple of 5, and the multiple of 10 too. Let's go. Yes, look at 10, 10, 10 for 2s, 10 for 5s, and 10 for 10s. Let's clear. What about 12? 12 is a multiple of what? Can you guess? Yes. Let's go. 12 is a multiple of 2 and the multiple of 3. What about 24? Let's go 24. 24 multiple of 2, multiple of 3. Last equation, 30 is a multiple of what? 30, yes, we stop at 30. 30 is a multiple of 2, multiple of 3, multiple of 5, and the multiple of 10. You can get a 120 chart. Use your crayons to color multiple of 2, multiple of 3, multiple of 5, and the multiple of 10. But by the end of this lesson, you should know any multiple of 10 is a multiple of 5. Any multiple of 10 is a multiple of 5. There are some multiples for all of these numbers, like what? Like 60, like 30, 30. You can see 30 in all. If I go down, 60 in all, 6 in 2 and 3, 12 and 2 and 3, 10, 5 and 10, and for all of them, for all of them. Finally, my kids, I hope you got a funny time with me. Nice to meet you again. I help to study hard. Bye.